Welcome to our quick guide on how to transfer money out of Gohenry. Let's explore what Gohenry is and how it helps kids and parents manage money effectively. Gohenry provides a great way for kids to learn about money while giving parents peace of mind. With features like budgeting and savings goals, it's perfect for financial education. To get started, open the Gohenry app on your device and log into your account. From the main menu, navigate to the Money Transfer section. It's designed to be straightforward and user-friendly. Now, choose the amount you want to transfer. Ensure you enter the correct figure to avoid any mistakes. Next, select your preferred transfer method. Gohenry offers various options to suit your needs. Before proceeding, confirm that all your details are correct. Double-check the amount and transfer method. Once you've confirmed everything, initiate the transfer. You will receive a notification once it's complete. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions about transferring money with Gohenry. This will help clarify any doubts you might have. To wrap up, remember these key steps for smooth transfers. Gohenry makes money management fun and easy for both kids and parents.